More than anything else, the Eucharist roots me, anchors me in Christ. Every single day as a priest, I have the opportunity, the great gift to celebrate Mass. It's the center of my day and clearly the most important part of my day. The Eucharist is what draws us into deep communion with the Father by this powerful encounter with His Son. Every single one of us need to take our Eucharistic devotion seriously. Obviously Sunday Mass, but even beyond that, spending time before the Blessed Sacrament, popping into church now and then. It will anchor us and root us in the one who calls us outside of ourselves to give of ourselves for the world and for all of those in need. I challenge you to be anchored in the Holy Eucharist. You're going to find life there, you're going to find great gift there, and you're going to be sent forth on a mission that will indeed transform the world.